In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email alias as from address in Outlook. If you want to send messages from a different email alias connected to your Outlook account, the process is very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to make that. From field visible, and then choose your alias when composing an email. To begin, open Outlook and go to Mail. This should take you to your inbox or main mail view, where you can access everything related to sending and receiving messages. If you're already signed in, you're ready to move straight into the setup. Once you're in the mail area, click on New to start creating a new message. Opening a fresh email draft is important here because the From Address option appears while you're composing, not from the inbox alone. After the new message window opens, click on Mail if needed to make sure you're in the standard email composition view. Depending on your Outlook layout, this helps confirm you're working in the correct message editor. Next, look for options and click on it. This section contains extra controls for your email draft, including settings that are sometimes hidden by default. If you don't usually change advanced sending options, this is where Outlook keeps them. In the options menu, click on Show From. This is the key step that makes the From field appear in your email draft. Without enabling this field, Outlook may only show your default sending address, which can make it seem like your alias isn't available. Once the From field is visible, click the From drop-down menu and select your alias. You should see the alias that's already connected to your Outlook account. Choose the one you want, and that will be the address your recipient sees as the sender for that email. At this point, you can continue writing your message as usual. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly double check that the correct alias is selected, especially if you manage more than one address. That small review can help avoid sending from the wrong account entity. And that's it. You've successfully added an email alias as a From address in Outlook and can now choose it whenever you compose a message. If the alias doesn't appear in the dropdown, make sure it has already been added to your Outlook or Microsoft account, since Outlook can only display aliases that are already available there. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to send emails from your alias in Outlook with confidence.